Hey. So this was probably a trend like, I don't know, a year ago, but I've only just started watching these videos now, and that is the 1 hour, 10 minute, 10 seconds type deals, right? I don't know what it is about them, but as soon as I started watching them, I decided that this is something that I wanted to do. But I've probably held off on doing it for about a month just because of the thought of doing 3 makeups in a row and how damaging that would be on my skin. And you know me, I've just started making an effort in my skin, so I'm not really gonna go about trashing it now, right? And then I realized that I am a complete idiot and that in fact I don't need to do it all in one time. I can span the filming out for as many days as I wanted. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to film the first one today, which will be the hour-long one, then the 10-minute long one, and then finally the 10-second long one over the course of 3 days. So then I'm not just completely demolishing my skin. I should probably also mention the actual idea that I have in mind. That would be helpful, wouldn't it? Yeah, that would be a great introduction to the video being, yeah. The idea that I had for this challenge would be a skull makeup look. I've done quite a few of these over the years. I very much enjoy doing skull makeup. I especially in particular like the sticking lots of gemstones to my face. However, I don't think I would come even close to doing one like that in the course of an hour. Like those gemstone ones tend to take me about 3 hours to do. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I thought instead it'd be interesting to see if I could do more of a realistic makeup look. Keep the media to a minimum, just rely on face paints and eyeliners and things like that, and stay away from like glue and other things that would require some drying time, because that's what tends to take up a lot of the time, is just waiting for the glue to become tacky so then you can stick stuff to it. Yeah, so instead I'm just gonna focus entirely on just the artistry of painting on my face as opposed to anything else, because I think that's realistically got a better chance of coming out semi-decent in an hour. However, I will say that the 10-minute and 10-second versions, I don't even know how well they're gonna come out, because 10 minutes seems daunting to do an entire skull on your face. At 10 seconds is like, I don't even know. Let's just get to it. I've got a couple of things here. I've got some white face paint, some eyeliners, I've got a liquid liner, like eyebrow pen, you know, just basically a bunch of shit. Like, what are you gonna do? So I might as well just get started. Good. Stop. Stop. Well then, it's not too bad. I think it's a little bit lacking in detail. I was kind of hoping I'd have enough time to do something with my neck. I guess this will be fine, like it's just kind of like a skull mask as opposed to a full skeleton, so. Overall, pretty average. I think I messed up a little bit here, but we're just gonna ignore that. It's just shading, it's extra detail, it's not a mistake, it's fine. So this is the 1 hour version of the skull. I think it might be worth just get you in for a nice closer look. So this side, as you can see, is a little bit faulty right there, but this side is not too bad. Like this. The decent amount of detail going on the head as well. Yeah, I think it's quite obviously a skull that needs some work, some extra shading, and overall I think given it an extra hour this would probably be where I would want it to be, but you know, it's fine. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna take a couple of photos of this and then wash it off because it's time for me to probably go to bed. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh god, what is wrong with my skin? Anyway, so this is part 2. I'm just gonna grab all of the paint stuff that I essentially just left here from yesterday because I ain't cleaning it up. What's the point in doing that, you know? I'm just bringing it over here. And we've got 10 minutes, but I need to make sure that I've got everything fully prepared. I'm gonna get some of this black paint out ready. 10 minutes is not long at all. I don't even know how far I'm gonna get with this and whether I'm even gonna be able to do any detailing at all. Okay, just go for it, right? Timer set. Oh. So I'm just gonna draw out this outline as quick as I can. This is essentially just gonna be like a rusticy, arty type thing, right? Okay, that's done. I'm now gonna put in the black parts. You can tell I'm concentrating when I'm completely silent. Ah, just poke myself directly in the eyes. Oh. No, 3 minutes. I need to do the teeth. Okay. Pen. Oh God. It's hard to do details when your hand is just... Okay, need to add some shading. Where's the brush? Oh God, no. Oh! This isn't what I wanted. So this is what it looks like when you draw a skull in 10 minutes. I don't really have much hope for 10 seconds now. Oh no. I don't know what is wrong with my face today. You ever just wake up sometimes and your face is just blotchy? Well, we're gonna make it even worse because today is the final skull look and we're gonna try and do this one in 10 seconds because obviously that is a good idea and that is gonna go completely fine and not come out as a complete mess. I think I'm gonna try and go for like an abstract skull look because let's be honest, realism just isn't gonna happen right now. So I'd just be happy if this comes out remotely like a skull shape. I feel like I'm being very ambitious with this. So I'm just gonna load up each brush with face paint. So I've got this and this. And now I just need to set the timer. You ready for this? You ready? I'm gonna click the timer with my foot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, no. Ten seconds wasn't long enough. So this is my skull look. I feel like there's a general shape there. Like, it's very abstract, that's for sure. But I managed to get some teeth. You know, that's good. Managed to make a bit of a nose at the side as well. This was stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna go. So if you like this video, then don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more stupid content like this, then click that subscribe button. You can also click the subscribe button for the actual art that I do. That isn't just me messing around and being an idiot. You know, if you're a complete stalker, then click that bell icon. Be notified of all of my endeavors. And comment, because like I always say, I love your comments. You're all so lovely. And I'm gonna go and wash this off my face now. Bye.